Hey guys, it's Dami and I'm back with another one. In today's video we have the iPhone 16 in the Ultramarine. The box comes in white and ultramarine, with the back of the phone being the cover of the box. We take off the back seal and we agree to with one of the best colorways on the iPhone 16, followed by the teal in my honest opinion. In the box, we just have the user manual and a USB-C to USB-C cable that's braided. And sadly, no Apple stickers, but that's fine. First impressions, and this phone feels light and the back glass does feel nice as well. I do believe that this year is going to be less of a fingerprint magnet. And we get this new 48 megapixel fusion camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. And now we can go over the setup and I'll be back when it's done. So let's go over the specs of the iPhone that I got. I got my iPhone in 128GB of storage with 8GB of RAM and in this new ultramarine color, which gives us blue or purple in certain light conditions and is coupled with the new A18 chip that supports Apple Intelligence, and one of my favorite parts is the new USB-C charging port. The sides also remain with the same ultramarine colorway, and in all, with it being aluminium, it does feel nice to the touch and better to hold for a longer time since it's lighter. So with this new camera control button, you can press it to get to the camera app from any app that you're on. You also have the ability to take a photo by a single press, and to record, you just hold it down. To get to the other features, you slightly press, but not all the way to actually press it. Then you double slight press it to get to the other features like tone, aperture, zoom, exposure, and styles. I'd say it's a good feature for quickly taking photos, but not something I'd use often when recording or gonna take pictures like that. So because of this new A18 chip, we get Apple Intelligence that's not out yet but coming later this year. So far, we have things like the new Siri, activating Siri by double tapping the bottom line, and Siri having more of a natural voice.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
With the new iPhone 16 having a main 48 megapixel camera, I set out to take some pictures and videos without editing and also playing with the new photographic style. So this is a front-facing camera of the iPhone 16 with its 12 megapixel front-facing camera, currently shooting at 4K 30 FPS. So far it looks good. Skin tone kind of accurate. You can see the follicles in my skin, but yeah, see that. So clear with my eyes. You can see my eye color too. Heading back to reality, I'll say that this is a great upgrade coming from the iPhone 13 and below. As for me, coming from the iPhone 13 Pro, it's not much of an upgrade, but I do appreciate the longer battery life and better cameras, and that's mainly it for me. With all that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this short unboxing and review of the iPhone 16. I got more in the works and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Signing out.